These are a few things to look out for when you're shopping for plants. So when you go to a garden centre, the first thing you want to do is check if the plants are healthy. So you want nice glossy green leaves, you don't want any brown or yellowing leaves, you don't want any wilting. You just want to make sure that those plants that you're about to buy have been looked after by the garden centre. The second thing you want to look out for is the soil. So is the pot that the plant is in, is it really dry? Or is it really, really wet? Because you don't want any waterlogged plants either, because they are more likely to have rotting roots. The other thing you can do is to sneakily check the roots so you can quickly take the plants out of the pot. The roots should be white or tan, they shouldn't be mushy, and it shouldn't smell either. So that's a good way of checking that the plants are healthy. The other thing that you can do is to make sure that you're picking the right plants for the right place in your garden. So just do a little bit of research before you go to the garden centre so you know exactly what it is that you're looking for. And then if you're not sure, my last tip would be to just ask somebody, a member of staff that works at the garden centre in the plant area or in the nursery, and ask them what they think would be suitable for where you want to plant your plants.